Good job, buddy. Good morning, friends.
Morning.
Justin's working on his pizza dough with Jacob-Rooney. Look, it's so nice, buddy.
Liam is doing the next one.
Oh, is he? Y'all taking turns. Okay, good stuff. Got it. Don't worry.
Make sure to get all the yeasty stuff at the bottom.
A yeasty.
Hello.
Good morning, friends. I'm working on the tres leches cake. First, the vanilla cake, and then I'm gonna do all the milks and stuff after. Yesterday we got all the ingredients. I got the milk, the egg. It smells good, so I think it's gonna be good. It says to grease the pan, but honestly, I don't think I really have to, because it's not just gonna be a vanilla cake. I'm gonna like turn it into tres leches, and it's gonna be soaked in a bunch of milks. I don't know, girl, but I'm cleaning as I go. Everything's already in the dishwasher, and I like doing that because it makes it easier. The cake is in the oven, and so now I'm gonna work on my little DIY, simmer pot so the house can smell good. I have a mixture of limes and lemons. I'm gonna put cloves, cinnamon, what else? Girl, whatever I have. Nutmeg. This is gonna help the house smell a little better. And I have all the windows open too. It just rained, but it's not raining right now. So like the air is just so clean smelling outside. So I was like, let me open them windows. We have the lemons and the limes. And then I'm gonna start boiling the water. When I do the simmer pot, I use cheap vanilla, not the real vanilla extract for baking, but imitation, because you don't want to waste the good stuff. Cinnamon. I'm gonna add cloves. Mix that up with the knife that I used to cut it. Hello, the cake is looking good. Now I'm working on the milk mixture, but I'm not gonna do that until the cake fully cools down, like Cooking con Claudia says. This is evaporated milk. Mix that. Ooh, girl. I had to get La Lechera. And this is condensed milk. I also love the Eagle brand one and the Carnation brand. But I was like, it is tres leches. And this one says La Lechera. So I said, I think this is the one, This is the one for it. You don't understand how much I love condensed milk. I could literally like drink it, eat it by the spoonfuls. And you know what I did when I was pregnant with Liam? I remember I would pour this all over strawberries. And we lived right across from a shaved ice place that sold shaved ice and banh mi's. Oh my God. Honey, do you remember the place that we lived? And then next door was banh mi's and shaved ice? Oh my God. That place was so fire. And we were literally neighbors with Juana and Soren. That life was so awesome.
Hi, y'all. Look a little crazy, but holy cow, honey.
He's getting everything ready for
this looks so good.
the
Thank you
pizza.
for doing this.
Of course. We got to do this for my friend too. Except she got a lot of allergies, so we got to make sure, yeah. We got to, cater to our friends, celebrate them. I don't know how to say this, so I'm going to try my best, but I feel like birthdays are special and they should be celebrated even in a small way. Like one of my gym buddies turned 69 and I got him a slice of patty cake. And he was all like, thank you so much for that. And I was like, yeah, of course, it's your birthday. You deserve to be celebrated. Like, come on now. And I feel like the older you get, like what a celebration it is. Like he got to live a life past how old my mom was, and I think that's like my metric. Like it's like if you live past 59, what a blessing that was, yeah, I don't know how to say that, but anyways, man, I think I needed a larger bowl, but we use all the bowls, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. Hopefully this is yummy. I'm gonna work on the whipping part too, but let me get dressed and all the things and wait for this to cool down before I pour it, and then I'll do the whip, and then I'll show you the finished product. But yeah, celebrate all the people in your life's birthday just by calling them and wishing them a happy birthday. You ain't gotta spend hundreds or 10s and 20s and 30s and 40s. You don't have to spend money. Just love on them by just saying happy birthday. That is all. Over here we have Clean with Justin. He's cleaning the outdoor area. Remember his audacity? It went all the way to the creek. All the way there, his audacity. Remember your audacity saying birth? Your pain was like birth. The audacity went to the creek, baby.
What?
Your audacity. You forgot.
About what audacity?
About giving birth and back pain.
I still feel it right now.
Stop. And then over here, we have Justin's pizza grill that he's going to grill on. And then he wiped this down already. And then our bird feeders. Recently, I saw some birds, but they don't really come around. Aunt Carrie told me it's because I need to empty out that food bin and clean it more because they like it to be clean. So I probably should do that. Friends are coming soon. The tres leches cake has been soaking. This is the whipping cream. I hope it's good. Look at these beautiful flowers we got from our friends. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. We got the stuff out there.
Is there anything that will just start?
Let me
the
see.
cheese will just start rising.
Oh yeah, I see that. Jakey helped make this one, right?
Yeah. The
Okay,
trick
let me-
is that
Uh-huh.
it's got to slide so that it'll go really easily into the. There we go. See how it's sliding like that?
Yeah. That looks so nummy.
Down the middle. Right down the middle! Let's go! Yes!
Show us that chain, baby. Show us
Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god.
Yay,
Right at the
Giant.
last minute.
Is this the Giants or the
Niners.
40s? Can you tell I don't be watching sports?
Wow.
Go Niners! Hello friends, I'm so sorry my level of audacity. I'm like, oh go Giants! Giants is baseball. My bad. Our friends left a while ago. I did notice Justin cleaning up around 3 p.m. when the Niners game went on. But our friends stayed a little bit longer. I like talking with them. They're just so fun to be around. Girl, Justin's pizza was so good. Everyone, the adults loved the arugula, pesto, pine nut pizza that he makes. Oh my gosh. It's so delightful. We got to get him to do a video on it one day for us, right? And then everyone, like literally everyone liked the cake. And I'm so happy. It was my first time making tres leches cake from scratch. And I think it did good, except I wish I had more hours for it to soak, because I think it would have been way better if it like really soaked, you know? But other than that, I got it down pat. You know, I got it down pat. Yeah, I like our friends. They're so nice. Oh, and they have an exchange student from Italy, like a 16-year-old girl from Italy. So nice. She played the piano for us. It was so cool meeting her. And I asked her like the differences between like Americans and Italians and how they dress and all the things. It was very interesting. But yeah, a wonderful day. I'm so happy that our friends came over. I was feeling a little tired and worn out because yesterday was really busy, and then we woke up early and was baking early. Totally worth it because we found some friends here, and they're just a really nice family. Girl, they brought us flowers. I mean, I showed you them. The flowers are gorgeous. That is so nice of them. I'm here with my Bob. He lets me cuddle him. I mean, he kind of looks like he doesn't let me, but he does. Okay, why you gotta kick me now? It's been like 5 minutes. I just love you, my baby. I just love you. You're our last one standing. It's sad to say, but Justin and I, we were just talking. We were like, I can't believe Mr. Bob is the last one standing. Liam, please hold the camera properly. I'm letting Liam hold it, and he looked like he's over there scratching his neck. What kind of cameraman do I got here? Come on now. I love you, Liam. You're so funny.
An unexperienced one.
You're a good one, but you don't be scratching your neck when you're trying to film. Anyways, yeah, he's the last one standing. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Well, Leah, you're gonna make them so nauseous. I'm nauseous. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower now. It's gonna be bedtime routine. Please stop shaking the camera.
Sorry.
I just need to end this vlog, Leah.
It's so hard.
Okay, bye, friends.